Hey crypto trader, listen, the stock market as well as the crypto market are tanking. The real estate market is about to go under, and the inflation is eating away at people's personal savings. Do you personally have a plan that you're gonna execute in order to compensate for this economic downturn? Do you have a trading plan that you follow that is making you consistent profits? When I was a beginner trader, I also got myself a fair share of lessons and tough love. And let's just say it did cost me a lot. I was trying to get rich very fast. I traded emotionally and I took all the wrong trades. I entered too late, I exited too early, which led me to consistent losses, not consistent profits. And I certainly was hunting for that magical strategy that is gonna make me millions of dollars. And I'm pretty sure you as a trader or a beginner trader or a person who wants to get into trading, you've been burned before in life in general. And if you've been a trader, then you've been burned as a trader, which can be very painful. And oftentimes, even after all of these lessons that you've supposedly learned, you're still starting at square one from the very beginning. And it feels like a never-ending journey of nonsense, which leads you to being constantly fearful to open new trades, and you constantly think of quitting, but it doesn't have to be this way. And it certainly is not this way for me anymore, or any of my community members for that matter. We're not quitting, cutting losses, or avoiding new trades. We are trading like professionals, and we're making insane profits during this market downturn. And it's in my power to make sure that you would never have to worry about things like recession, inflation, market downturns ever again. Listen, what I'm about to tell you is going to change your financial situation radically, as it has done for thousands of people who have taken my advice. And just by the way, I'm not gonna try to sell you anything. As a matter of fact, what I'm about to offer you is completely free. So if you want to learn exactly what it is that I'm doing to preserve my wealth during these market downturns and to also safely cash in, then listen up. I'm gonna tell you the exact simple steps that you can take in order to trade profitably during this current market downturn. First, use the button down below and join my favorite trading platform, Bitget. I've been using Bitget for quite some time and I have made a lot of money on Bitget. If I can trust them with my big money, you can trust them too, and it's free to join. You may already have a trading platform that you trust. However, Bitget is steadily growing and they have the biggest deposit bonuses, up to $8,000 in initial deposit bonuses, and they also give you cash back on your trading fee. So even a break-even trader is going to make money at the end of the day, which is a kill for feature. When I started trading, if I was offered this kind of a feature, this would have made a huge difference for me as a beginner trader. And now, once you've used the button down below and joined Bitget, now you can proceed to step number 2 and join my VIP trading community with more than 10,000 profitable traders. We have traders that are just starting out, as well as traders who make a lot of money, millions per year. I highly suggest that you connect with them because you're gonna learn a lot. And yes, the community is also free to join. Now, the third step, the step before the juiciest step to your financial freedom, is actually optional. The step number 3 is optional, but to be honest, the value far exceeds the investment. If you deposit more than $500 into Bitget, then you will get my famous paid crypto course for absolutely free. It's valued at about $500. So if you're a Bitget trader, it's yours for free. Now, I've saved the best for the last. Once you are in my community, once you're a Bitget trader, once you've claimed all of those insane deposit bonuses and cash back on your trading fees, I will let you, inside of the community, there is a button, it's called VIP Trades. I'm gonna let you see, understand, and copy every single trade that I'm taking during this recession, which is making me insane amounts of money. So you're gonna get access to my 9 years of trading experience. It's gonna be at your disposal to see and copy every single move I'm making in the market. And I've made millions and I keep making a lot of money, and you can utilize this information for absolutely free. And once again, this is entirely free. Use the button down below, take a look at the instruction, follow all the steps, because the longer you're gonna stay fearful about your trading, the harder you will be hit by the recession. So stay smart, use the link down below, and I will see you on the inside.